In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Macaron Gel Manicure Kit. Each kit comes with an adorable Macaron USB LED light, a polish in the same color as the packaging, a cuticle pusher, a file, and some remover packets. These retail for $35 and they used to be available on Ulta, but you can still get them off of Macaron's site and you can actually find them on ASOS now. The LED light is super compact and it easily snaps together in two magnetic pieces, and the power cord is USB, so you can just plug it into your computer and do your mani at your desk, or you can even plug it into a portable battery to do your manicure anywhere. So let's give this kit a try. The first step is to prep the nails by pushing back your cuticles, filing your nails into shape, and removing any debris or oil with some nail polish remover. This kit I'm using is the Cherry Red kit, so the gel polish that comes with it is a beautiful cherry red color. This gel polish does apply a little sheer for a red, but the color is definitely beautiful. Application was smooth and easy, and I noticed that the gel didn't move or shrink much before I cured it, so that's good. But because the LED lamp can only hold one finger, you do have to work one nail at a time. However, the gel polish cures in 30 seconds, so it goes by super quick. Two coats made the color opaque enough for my liking. There might have been a tiny flash of nail line in certain lights, but it wasn't noticeable for me to want to do 3 coats. I also found it more comfortable to just put my finger in the light and hold it because of its small, round shape. The directions also said you can actually remove the top of the light and it can be used for pedicures as well. The gel polishes are all in one, so you don't need a base coat or a top coat, and it doesn't have a sticky coat after it's cured. Macaron also sells trios of gel polish, but they are a lot smaller than the one that comes in the kit, but it's a good way to build your gel collection without having to buy an entire new kit. The kits come with remover wraps that have a sticky adhesive back to hold them in place when they're soaking on your nail. And these are removed pretty easily. I think I soaked mine for about 15 to 20 minutes and the gel just flaked right off. Overall, I think this is a very cool kit and I found myself using it a lot just at my desk watching some Netflix, and it was super easy and convenient. And I feel like $35 for an entire gel system is pretty affordable. Have any of you tried this kit? If so, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if you enjoyed this video, I have another video that's very similar to this, and you can click on your screen here to watch it.